What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we're going over our top tips on how to winterize your interior, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys everything that you guys need to know to keep your ride protected and looking great for the winter. The first product that we're going to be going over today is going to be our Stranger Helpful Handy Mitt. Now this mitt can be used wet or dry. In this case, we're going to be using it dry on our interior to dust off our dashboards and interior surfaces. So it's going to knock off a lot of the loose dirt and debris that's on there. That way it's out the way, and then we can get into the deep cleaning action. The next step on the list is giving the interior a deep clean. So the product that we're going to be using is going to be our Nonsense all-purpose cleaner. Nonsense is great because you can use it on virtually all cleaning applications, interior or exterior. In this case, I'm going to be using it to deep clean the interior surfaces such as like the dashboard, door panels, center consoles, and you can also use it to clean fabrics. After you deep clean your interior surfaces with Nonsense, now you can proceed to protecting it. Now in this case, since we do want to get the best protection possible for the interior, we're going to be applying Hydro Interior. Hydro Interior is an interior quick detailer that contains ceramics. So not only does this clean your interior, but it also layers a durable layer of ceramic protection on your interior. So this thing works out incredible at reducing the amount of contaminants that cling to the surface, including dust and debris. And it's also gonna keep the original look of your interior. So it enhances a natural OEM look. It does not enhance any type of shine, just keeps it looking nice and original and protected as well. So after deep cleaning and protecting the interior surfaces, we decided to go the extra mile and even add more protection to the interior. In this case, we decided to go with our Natural Shine dressing. And if you guys don't know, Natural Shine is a water-based dressing, so you can apply it on virtually any kind of interior or exterior vinyl, rubber, or plastic trim. So whether it be your dashboard, your door panels, your tires, your exterior trim, it works out incredible at giving it that nice original OEM look. And it also protects it from those harsh UV rays. And it also protects from any kind of contaminants from sticking and clinging to the surface. So after cleaning and protecting all of our interior hard surfaces, we proceeded to apply Hydro Thread onto all the fabrics and upholstery on this car. Now this car has cloth seats, it has carpet floor mats, and it has carpet flooring as well. So when it comes to the winter, you want to make sure that those are protected as well. Hydro Thread is a ceramic fabric protectant and stain repellent. So as you can imagine, it's going to be winter, it's going to be cold, you're going to have your cup of coffee on your way to work, you're going to have your cup of hot chocolate, and you want to make sure that your fabrics are protected against spills. Now, Hydro Thread creates a durable hydrophobic layer onto those surfaces. That way it just beads up and rolls right off. So you can just go ahead and grab a microfiber towel, scoop it up, and not have to worry about any kind of stains on your interior. All right guys, and there you guys have it. Just a quick, simple instructional video on how to winterize your interior. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a huge like. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And if you guys like any of the products that we used in today's video, you guys can pick them up all today directly on our website, chemicalguys.com, or you can swing by your local Detail Garage store. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and I will see you guys next time.